10 taon na ang lumipas since literally sumabog sa kamay ko yung paputok na akala ko controlled ko. 1 second lang, blink, tapos boom, wala na. Kasama ng ilang daliri ko na wala rin yung version ko na feeling untouchable. Ngayon, tuwing naririnig ko ang New Year 2025 countdown vibes, bumabalik lahat. Lalo na pag medianoche, habang lahat excited sa ingay, ako tahimik lang, watching from afar with hands that already paid the price. At first, puro galit lang talaga. Galit sa sarili ko, sa paputok, sa mga nagsasabing ingat next time na parang may redo button ng buhay. Every year dati may New Year's resolution akong babawi ako, okay din to eventually. Pero real talk, healing doesn't follow deadlines. Life just forces you to adapt. Slowly, painfully. Natuto akong gawin ulit yung basics. Kumain, magsulat, magtrabaho, in a totally different way. Hindi lang kamay ang nag-a-adjust, pati ego at identity mo. Until now, hindi pa rin easy. May days na okay ako, may days na gusto ko maglaho. Pero I learned na winning doesn't always mean being whole again. Sometimes, it just means surviving the night. Hindi ko na hawak lahat tulad ng dati, but I still have my life. And for now, sapat na yon.